All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open, so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. It's Monday, October 21st. And what's up, Signature? Basically looking at, I wish there was something more glaring than this one, just because it's so extended. But what is this? BYON. Wow, that's really nice daily. What's the range on this thing? Like 50 cent. Yeah. Yo, 3 Pony. Jeroid King. What's good? Good morning. Yeah, I mean, yeah, so I'm pretty much looking at OKLO and SMR. They have the most volume going on today. Yo, Shrevan Kumar, good morning. Good to see you guys, man. I spent a good amount of time this weekend going over my trades from October. And most of them, it was like the same two mistakes. I was either trading on the backside of the move, meaning after it already started putting in lower highs, or I would trade things that weren't in. Hot damn ho, here we go again. Now, yo, Kizzy Bop, what's good? I'm trading things that are not in play, you know. So those are my two things. So let's just not do that. I think that's a pretty good idea. Just not do that. SMR. I need that over 2035 for real. I mean, actually, what's this? 1941. Hmm. 1974. Man, this made me want to do an ORB right there, boy. I'm also looking at AGI. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, thanks, Pharaoh. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep up front the good, what I'm actually looking for to happen, Try to help me stop trading all these weird setups that aren't setups. It's a lot of volume coming in there. Man, these guys are looking real strong. Look at the SPY too, man. SPY is looking very strong. Man, I want to take that really bad. Really bad. But I gotta wait for show. Gotta wait for show. OKLO is rolling though. OKLO is rolling. OKLO is definitely kicking out the most volume. Yo, Q, what's good? Wave Rider. Is this having a scroll bar? There we go. Man, I was just looking over here like, this AGI is looking like a straight buy right now. I already know, Wave Rider. You change your name to NVIDIA Rider. Pause. Hey. Nah, I didn't. You posted them this morning? I was wondering if you had some results from your research, man. I'm very excited to look, man. I appreciate you wanting to take the time, man. Man, it's very tempting to take one of these below my little line in the sand. Um, it is above the highest volume from that day. I might have to take this on GP right here. It's such a wide range, though. Good lord, could do better than that. There's got to be it's got to be a better entry than that coming somewhere. That's ridiculous. Dang, bro. AGI is setting up so nicely. In the volume, though, it's just not. Hmm. Kind of what I expect. I feel like the spy is the same thing. Hmm. Hmm. So the news is a big deal for sure. Having a catalyst. It's pretty nasty candle right here. Pretty nasty. It's a nice five though. Looks nasty right there though. News matters. Dang, I wasn't expecting that. Oh snap! Jack Catterall versus Regis Prograis. Is that this week? Oh snap! Nvidia alone look like OKL on SMR is about to bounce back. Whoa, Nvidia looking nice, man. I would feel real late to the game getting in now, but I mean it's very early in the day as well. Um, man, over 140.89 especially, but yeah, I mean looks good. I mean, if you put your stop below low of day, I would say absolutely go long now. But definitely not risking here or risking the VWAP. Um, Yeah, I mean, you could start a position. I'm of course it's not not financial advice, but you could start a position, and I would just anticipate a nice pullback, but it might not pull back, and that's where I could see you wanting to start a position now. I would just have a wide stop because this thing could definitely go. Okay, LO back over VWAP, but I need a higher high of the day. You feel me? You feel me? SPY bouncing off of VWAP here. Lower low, but you never know. So with the gap up in the volume, 50-50 on closing green and red. But actually, huh. I feel like the parameter I would more want to see, because it could close red all at once, but does it uptrend off after the open? you know, that's my main thing I'm looking for. I just needed to to uptrend for the first 30 minutes of the day. It can crash out after that, you know. Do 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 do. Let's go. New high day on AGI. I kind of came in with the intent of raising my risk today, just because I'm feeling like uh, I don't know, it'll put more weight on the situation, and I'm kind of yeah, that's about what I would expect. Okay, hello, racing up though the higher day. Ooh, look at OKLO looking strong out here. And SMR. SMR line in the same way up there. I didn't think I should mess with this one, but it's looking kind of cool, man. It's looking kind of cool. 1941 is kind of a level as well. Man, okay, LO might squeeze like crazy above this level. Kind of make me want to go for it with a wide stop, but it'd be too wide. That thing got to do a lot though. It's a lot of volume getting thrown up there. Hey, look how I did in my little line in the sand. I had to catch the bounce on that one though. Hmm. Hmm. I didn't get Lumen on my scans, Q. Oh, probably because I'm 10 below, but the daily is nice. Exquisite. Exquisite daily. I gotta refund them. All right, we got a lot going on now, folks. Let's tighten up that stop a bit. 100% win rate scans, for real. That sounds pretty wild. Really. Dang, that's a big volume rejection up there, man. Make me want to move my stop back, but that'd be stupid. If it makes another low from here, it's just not going. Where did I have it? Below this high volume? Guess we could keep it there. 52, so 66. All right. That's what's up. Because you lean towards the short side, right, Q? You pretty much only short. What's the FOMO trade, Pharaoh? Which one? Man, okay, hello, just was just too extended. I really wanted it below there, which I mean is more reasonable. It's gonna be a bigger stop though. Bivy, must be popping Wave Rider talking about it. Man, thing is throwing some crazy volume. DJT is such an interesting stock to be out there trading. I don't never really know what to make of it. Bruh. This is why you don't get into too many positions at the same time. Because they will all turn on you. There's one. SMR, I did not wait for it to get above the level I said it needed to get above, so I can be mad at myself for that. Nice. Miss Sita. 212. I like that double bottom. Big volume on the day. It's a little underwater, man. That's why I be scared about these reversals. But I definitely like the double bottom. I like this move down here, man. High volume pullback and then one more dip on some more volume and then the double bottom. I think this is pretty cool. Hopefully a nice pop up to VWAP at minimum. Minimum. Just gotta see if we're gonna hold this red line, man. Looking for 230. What is that? 2064. This thing just don't have a volume to do anything special today. It seems. Yeah, Spy looks nice. It's on a nice grind up. Dang, that was some slipperage right there, bro. 10 cents of it. You in the Spy? Where you get in that, Sig? Nice. All right. Okay. Like it just made a new high day. CYTA. Ah, man. New lower day just to bounce. Mm-mm-mm. It's a cold world out here, bro. Yeah, man. Spy looking like it's gonna go, sick. I just need OKLO to do the same. What was your cut was 201? Ah, yeah, you gotta put it a penny over the under the whole dollar, man. That's what I like to do. Whole and a half dollar. I like to sit right underneath. Uh, come on. Man, give me 21.15 again. I'm watching SMR on my side eye too. Uh, yeah, there's a isn't it SP? It's not SPX. No, I thought there was an inverse spy. It's like not an inverse. I guess I am thinking of inverse. I don't know. See, you guys know a spy ETF with leverage? Oh man, what's up, William Trade? Yeah, bro, step away from the machine. ISPC. Uh, hmm, unpredictable, man. So Q, your trades be a lot of entries and a lot of exits, huh? Give yourself a lot of room to win. Oh man, Trey. Was that Sita? Oh, and Q was short. This dude. That's Q for you, man. What's up, RJ? Dang, bro. It show went to 230. Yeah, bro. That stop can't be at 201, man. Gotta be under the whole dollar. But I mean, it made a lower low, so I mean, you can't be too mad at yourself. But that close to the whole dollar, man, you gotta slide that joker. I've been watching SMR, man, but I need a new high a day, man. I'm done with breaking that rule. APVO. But I'm gonna look at this. You about to start scalping this or something? This looks like Come on, man. We need that 21.15, dog. 21.15. There's 21. Come on, man. Still a mistake. What's the mistake though, Trey? Bro, I've been watching SMR at VWAP over here, but I need that new high day, dog. I need it. I'm not playing no more. I'm not playing no more games. There we go. That's what we looking for. Let's go up here. A little more safety there. If it stops me out now, it just stops me out. Whatever. Yeah, I like it. I don't want to get in under that, man. I gotta wait. Cause if I go long here, I'm expecting it to go way past higher day, and if it bumps its head, I'm just like feeling like Boo Boo the Fool. So in other news, oh okay, is that a rule? That's a good rule, bro. I like that rule. Yeah, that's how I go, man. You know, we just try to build the strategies around the most likely or most often occurrence. All on green. Haha, look at that, Sig. It's rolling. I got the spy right here hiding behind my P&L. Okay, low. Oh. Looking for a new high day on AGI. I really just want to get my stop to break even because I'm over it. It ain't got no volume, you know. Uh yeah, I'm hella over it. 32. It just makes sense that it would have a day like it's having today. I just thought that if it could break through that resistance, which it's tried multiple times, it could still go. Man, okay, low is so bouncy, man. The market cap is kind of tiny. Go SMR. It's tempting right there for sure. But I'm gonna wait and see if we can make a new high day and come back and test this level. Cause you know, just gotta start following some sort of procedure around here if we're gonna make it out this pit, this pit of repeated failures. by the same mistake. I really could have waited a longer time to get into OKLO because I knew it was gonna do something silly after this move, but I also thought it could have a nice squeeze up just because I know the shorts have been like, okay, I know today is the day it's gonna come down. Following procedure. Trying something new, Joe. Although, I mean, I think procedure was not to be trading multiple things, but those are like guardrail rules, not actual strategic rules. You know, so if I feel like I got an actual good reason to take a trade and I got a guardrail rule standing in my way, probably gonna just take the trade. But a real fundamental rule like the higher high must be high of day, that can't be circumvented. Like, you gotta follow that one. So that's what I'm on, man. See, I would have got in right. Normally, I would have got in right here, and boop, and I would have been sad. Yeah, 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 for sure, for sure. Appreciate you, Joe. How you doing, man? I feel like AGI it could be the sleeper of the day if it actually it needs some volume, man. But I guess gold isn't exciting to be day trading. Who's day trading gold? Oh yeah, I was like, man, I should have just got out. It's always that hope that it'll go ahead and go though. So you just just stay in waiting. You said he was sweating, swabbing, waiting. All of them. Oh yeah, dang, a few months. Dang, bro. Been working like a month. What do you do, man? If you don't mind me asking. Come on, okay, low. We just need one more new high a day, and I can move my stop up. Oh yeah, I remember that. Dude, I saw a video of a guy who was oh man, it's about to die. Don't do it. Um it was what was he doing? Oh, he was skiing and it was like really, really soft, really tall snow, like deep snow. And he was kind of maneuvering through some trees and he saw an upside down snowboard just sitting in the snow. And when he went past it, it moved. He was like, oh, snap. Went back, man. He had to climb a little bit to get back up to him. He had to dig this dude out of the snow. He's head first, upside down in the snow. And snowboarding is on my bucket list, but yo, they were out in like they weren't on like a course though. They were out like in a mount on the mountains. You saw that, bruh? Yeah, man. Oh my god. Yeah, bro. I was surprised. He just the amount of time it took him to dig him out of there, bro. I was like, can he breathe? Oh my god. What a nightmare. Man, okay, low. All this drama. I should have moved my stop up under there. one of the things I was looking at in my journal was trying to figure out how many stop outs I could have avoided or gotten to break even. You know, when it when it moves significantly away from your entry, do I have an opportunity to raise my stop? And I feel like there was a lot of times that I could have. I think okay low, I could have moved it up on this move. Especially here, I didn't even realize it made a higher high like that. I definitely could have raised my stop up on this one. But it was a tree well. Man, today was whack. It's actually a great pullback on OK low. But I mean, what am I gonna do about that? Yeah, I really don't like to move it until it gets to 2R, but honestly, okay, hello did get to 2R. I was up like 11 bucks on it. So, yeah, attention being spread out might have been a factor. Um, yeah, I definitely should have moved to break even. I was lacking on that one, man. Man, it just fell out, bro. I'm waiting for the move up. I guess I should have been looking to sell it higher day, but it just, I mean, it wasn't really that far away. Man, yeah, I guess it could have been. Felt like such a nice trade. Yeah, the mug dropped, yo. Man, DJT looks amazing. I ain't gonna hold you. The daily looks really good on DJT. Right above 30, 31. Look how it came back and tested that. APVO. Dang. Yeah, you did. This show, it looked like junk when I pulled it up, bro. Like garbage. Hmm. No, this is just looking at price action and liking it. Seeing the setup on the daily and seeing the level set at 31, breaking over and coming back and testing it and then starting the uptrend again, jumping in early. Double top right there on DJT at 65. Hmm. Hmm. Good to know, Q. Trump is the one, huh? Man, with the slippage. That was tough. Just 1 cent slip. Yeah, it was, Maddie, I spent a few weeks on trading the cues, and there was things that I really enjoyed about it, and then there's some things that I, didn't really care for. But I didn't care. I don't like. I'm a long only trader, and I don't like. I was flipping back and forth because it's like if I'm just gonna trade one instrument, there's gonna be like half the days that it's gonna go well, and half the days that half the days is gonna go up, and half the days it's gonna go down. And yeah, a little early to the game over here. Uh, I didn't like. I started to flip, man. There goes that. I would keep flipping back and forth from the SQs to the Qs. Yeah, this is my fault here, man. These little my fault. That's my bad. These little trades. This is what keeps me from being successful. I had AGI low volume, no real catalyst, just moving because gold is moving. SMR. I'm not mad at my SMR trade for real. Um, I should have moved my stop up to break even though. I feel like this is one. These are the kinds that I should be able to get out break even. When it moves up away from the entry price like that, just if it pulls all the way back in, get out break even and reassess. Um, yeah. But yeah, I just prefer Maddie looking for things that have potential like to do something special. And um so yeah, I just ended up going back to looking for, pre-market gappers. But what I liked most was just the focus of trading one instrument, you know. Yeah, I'm starting to really get into my journal more. I spent quite a few hours on it this weekend, and yeah, that part, Q. That's something I've definitely been missing, and man, it's a lot of obvious things you can see if you just go through your data. It's kind of a weird underwater long to take, but we're over this guy. Gotta get over this guy. 2067. Yeah. And I think I like mid caps a lot better. Um, hmm. I don't know, Q. I don't. That's interesting data. But honestly, I really only want to be sitting here for an hour, which I'm definitely past that. My little alarm that went off, I sure ignored that, Trey. Man, DJT's getting slammed. Looks like OKLO is next. Yeah, that was dumb. Bah humbug. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. It's feeling good last week. Feeling like I don't know, man. Might be time to switch to swing trading. It's too much required here that I don't have. Yeah, I don't know. It ain't working though. That's for sure. Oh gosh, like why would I want to hear that right now, bro? Okay, it's not so bad. Yeah, trying to do the most difficult thing. Might just go do the easy thing. That was just the spiral out trade. Spiral out you know. Yeah, but it just be me though. I don't know, man. I'm not really mad at the SMR trade. I'm not really mad at my OKLO trade, but no, I'm mad about it. Mad about it. Honestly, because both of these got below high of day, this is actually a mistake that I created a new tag for in my journal. Um, but I did wait for OKLO to get above previous day's high, but it was super extended, just like you said, Trey, and I wasn't super careful. You think so? That's crazy. Mm. Well, let's see. Yeah, and I was thinking that on OKLO, I definitely had enough to move my stop to break even, especially on this move up. But by then, my attention was spread out too far. Spread out too far. Um, I use a Zenbot scanner and pretty much it. Zenbot scanner and stock analysis to look through news. I'm just basically looking for a gap scanner, so it's nothing really special about my software or you know, I don't have any special need. Although it is lacking though. I've been contemplating TOS, but TOS is I don't want to put a deposit there. I don't know. Y'all been saying that you don't need to put a deposit in to get the real time data. Yeah, I know. Can't be helped. All the way. It's just a 2 cent stop. I have not tried it, bro. I don't even know how to approach it. Yeah, I'm about ready to. Yeah, that's what I'm tripping on, Trey. It ain't even. I don't know, man. I feel like yeah, Trey is TH23. I feel like just not a disciplined person, man. It seems like I feel like because the FOMO is not really there in swing trading would be easier. It's the it's the moment. It's the moment that makes it difficult, like the pressure and the time to make a decision. Um, yeah, I agree to that, Sync. I just haven't done it though, you know. And my window of opportunity to keep chasing this thing is uh I'm down for that, Q. It's just a lot of things. Not being okay with a red day. But you know what? I miss the gym a lot lately, bro. Like I haven't been waking up. I haven't been going in the mornings. I've been stealing time away from my day and just kind of sneaking in there, you know, during the day. But yeah, I mean, I guess I don't know, man. I don't feel like I'm disciplined about anything. Yeah, I feel like I need to just become another person. Like just stop even trying, man, and just go become another person and then come back and try again as him. Well, I don't need every stock to trend 80%. I'm just trying to find one. But I get what you're saying. Not really. I mean, I just want to make three times my risk, you know, and I've been trying to move towards capturing profits with my stop as I approach that target to change some of those losses to break evens and, you know, one R's, two R's. But thanks, Jack. Like it just depends on the that's what the gap up scanner's for. I mean, when I have a successful day and I get stocks that do what I want to do and I perform well, those come from the gap up scan. That's what this is. Something that gapped up and made a higher high on the day, high of day, higher high, pulled back to HVS and VWAP, and then boom, buy it and let it ride. It happens. It's not. It's just the say my setup. I'm arguing like I'm profitable. I just feel like your approach, I feel like I just feel like your argument, Pharaoh, is the strategy, and I think the argument is discipline. Because, like, if I was coming in and everything was going the way my strategy calls for it to go, and I traded it exactly how it's supposed to go, and it's just constantly crashing out, right? For example, if my strategy was high of day breakouts, and every day I came in here and traded the biggest volume thing and just looked for the high day breakout, and I just got stopped out every time. And it's set up just like how it's supposed to set up, and I just got stopped out every time. It's like, bro, that strategy sucks. But like, it's not like my strategy doesn't work. Like, I find these setups that, these trends that happen. But the problem is, if this happens, let's say this happens 5 times a week, right? But I trade 30 different tickers in a week. I'm not gonna make it. Like, that means 25 of those trades are garbage. And that's what's happening. I don't intend to trade any capper, but what happens is I don't see the stuff that I want to see. And so I end up putting things up. AGI had no volume. Like, there's no reason to watch this today. It barely has traded a million. No catalyst. It basically gapped into resistance, not above it. So this was just like, it's bad, clearly. And it was after the day after a big green day, and I always feel like these are gonna be rest days. Like, this is the candle I would expect if I had to put money on what candle would come after a big green day like that. It would be a narrow range candle like this. I will put money on that. So this to me is supposed to be out of play. And I really don't want to trade second days like that. But what happened was OKLO was going crazy last week. And I was like, well, maybe you got to play those, day after big Green Day runners sometimes, even though it's not really my ideal setup. Man, what is happening to the SPY right now, yo? Exactly, George. I'm not picky enough on what I'm willing to trade. Like I'm willing to trade everything. Like this was garbage, bro. This had like no volume pre-market, and it took a long time for it to get above a million traded. 450,000 in the first 30 minutes, bro. Like there's no volume here. So that was stupid, right? Sync, my bad. I know you asked that sooner. Basically, I'm looking for gap ups on the daily after a red day, uptrending chart, gaps up above resistance after a red day, and at the open, I want to see it. Uh, I want to see it make a high, pull back to make a higher low above VWAP and above the opening high volume candle. And then I enter over the next candle to make a high, and this is like an example of a perfect setup for me on intraday. I don't know what the daily looked like on this, but assuming the daily setup was good, come in here. This first candle that comes in, what usually a lot of times is the highest volume of the day, at least of the open. Put a line over there and wait for it to make a higher high above that, and then come back down and test that above VWAP, and then I take that entry. And I'm looking for three times my risk, but I'm also trying to move my stop up as well under the lows. And no, so I'm trying to catch a short term trend intraday. Yeah, AGI no volume. SMR, I had a red line over the top that I was supposed to wait to engage at, and that was above this candle, which is 2035. Which would have been up here. I had it on before I reset my platform, but yeah. So this is how I had this chart, and I said if it gets above this red line, I'll be interested. But it did not. It started to set up like the intraday thing I like, but it's making lower lows. It's just honestly on from a daily perspective, this is just inside all of these days right here. So I should have this shouldn't have made it to the watch list. Hmm. That's a very good point, Danny. Strategy only has an edge if it if it works for me. I used to kill this thing though, man. I mean, I feel like I'm constantly tweaking my strategy, not like the main parts, but just kind of trying to find the things that increase the chances of it playing out in my favor, which I just keep If I don't see it, then I look for crap, man. So this is feel like on the daily this should have not made the chopping block. So there's SMR. Yeah, you ain't lying, Danny. Okay, hello. Same situation with SMR, but it did actually cross my line in the sand, but it's just not a good it's not a good setup, man. This day would have been cool because it was above this red candle, and I think I did pretty good on it on this day. Was that Friday? Did I trade KLO on Friday? I don't know. I think did I have a good day? I feel like I had a bad day Friday. Yeah, so this was my red line in the sand that I was said that I wouldn't want to trade it unless it got above this line. And so it got above this line, and if I'd have been more aggressive and got in there, it probably would have been better, but I don't think I got in that much higher. Nah, got in right over 21. And I have my stop under there, added down here on this little consolidation, and it got up to 2R up here. I really, if I wasn't so distracted, I think this would have been a good one to move up to break even, but not a terrible trade on principle. I mean, it's pretty extended from this move down here to up there, though. So, I mean, to expect it to make this big move up, pull back, and then go do something crazy is kind of expecting a lot. I don't know, bro. I think it's pretty simple. I think a lot of the guys in here know my strategy and point it out to me. And they know when I'm stepping outside of it too. I think it's a pretty simple strategy actually. Um it just requires that you wait for it. Just like all strategies. Is that not the case though? Like what strategy could I find that doesn't require me to be disciplined and wait for it to set up? Like, tell me that one. Tell me that one. Um, so I mean, I guess you could say OKLO was, but just I mean on the daily aspect, that mug is too extended. Even Trey told me in pre-market when we was talking about it. Um, it's extended. Yeah, I know. But this little run up wasn't enough for me to not the first time when I added some shares in it was pretty nice up there. But yeah. And then DJT was just I was crashing out by this point, so ain't even really no point in talking about it. For this one to actually be in play today, it would have had to gap up over 33.85 and then, maybe some room to 38. And I don't know what the hell this was. I just found this on the scanner. Or sell the Q, right. This kind of stuff does give me a little hope when I look and see how many mistakes I'm making big picture. Like a good day with even bad trades, you look back and say, okay, man, that was a really good setup. Too bad it didn't work today. Right? Like, man, the daily was so nice on this. I can't believe it didn't work. Like that's where I need to be. Not I knew I shouldn't have had this up today. Right? Trash. Trash. I mean, the DJT daily is the only one that's even kind of appealing, but with it being below this candle right here, this high volume right here, it's not in play in my opinion. but traded anyway. You know, this had a really nice gap, but it's just gapped up into this resistance level. I don't know, bro. Pre-market, the pre-market is killing me, man. I try to stay in mid cap sync. It's my pre-market is the main thing. That's like either I'm setting myself up for success or failure. And when I'm putting crap in front of me pre-market, I'm bound to drown. Like what what else can I do? It's just been a lot of days where I come in and I don't see anything good and I'm not willing to not trade it. What if I trade gap downs to the long side? I don't know nothing about that. Well, I mean, if it gaps down into support though, that could be a good thing. Small cap reversals, man. That trip to small cap land was rough, yo. Yeah, bro. I've actually reversals seem really cool because um man, look at Zim Daily, bro. What was this Friday on Zoom? I don't like the there's a few reasons why small caps I don't really care for. One of them is that I can't put out a stop loss and take profit order on a lot of them because they're short sale restricted. So I can't put like my target out there, and that stresses me out. Um, yeah, that's definitely the appealing thing about reversal sync. Yeah, the other reason I don't like small caps is because of the rug pulls, man. The catastrophic red candles that slam through your stop loss and slip it like 20 cent. Like, bro, my stops be 5-10 cent on those things. So to slip 20 cent, it's nah, man. Not if it's SSR. It won't work, man. I've tried it. I can't not with my platform. It won't let me put them both out. I done messaged the guy and talked to two people about it. It just don't work on the cause it puts if I put a stop loss order in and then put another sell order, it puts it in as a short order. It's like I don't know. It's stupid to me, but it's just the way it happens. I do like the price action though. I love the high volume price action. You know, when one gets going, I love the way it trades. I just had a couple bad experiences though that excuse me, made me want to come back to the mid caps. Yeah. I had one like that. It was nasty. Like my whole day was ruined by that one trade. um Man, what happened to the spy today? I hope Signature got out with some profits before this happened. But yeah, I really should have just looked at the spy today. Just totally watched the spy. Bruh. Man, it's just hella hard for me to it's hard for me to come in pre-market and not see anything that I really like and to let that mean that today's a no trade day. You know, it's really hard for me to do that. Nope, I'm keeping the name. Struggle will always be there. I'm just looking for a different struggle. Looking forward to a different struggle. I want to struggle with sizing up, scaling up, struggle with I don't know, something the big guys struggle with. Yeah. Yeah, I felt myself on the daily today. On pre-market. Failed the pre-market. I didn't have a good morning at all actually. I woke up at like 7:30, sat down at like 8, and didn't even see anything I liked. And traded 5 things. Uh OKLO twice. Second one, no hive day. Stupid. Well, guess this pity party's over. Um What's up, Tobias? Man, everybody's talking about Bivy. I didn't even look it up. Wow, that was pretty crazy. Did it halt? It had to have halted on this run up, right? Probably on this candle. Had to have halted. Man, it seemed like it would have been right up your alley, Trey. Anywhere up in here. Stop lower day. Huh. Oh, yeah. Nice. Sheesh. Oh, gotcha. Man, Trey, if I could just have like a little bit of your discipline, man. To see something that's not that's not in line and be like, no, I didn't trade it because it was because of this. Me, I'm like, yeah, it was below resistance, but traded it. Traded it. Yeah, big time Billy. Man, chart patterns instead of price action. Thought I was doing both. That's funny, Jack. I'm always surprised when you guys ask me for my thoughts about things too. But Yeah, I mean, I feel like I could tell somebody else how to do something, but when it's me, I felt myself doing it for a while though this morning. Like, okay, trying to like waiting for OKLO to get above this level was like, cause man, I really wanted to get in right here, bro. I wanted to so bad. Oh, I wanted to so bad, especially this man. But I was like, nah. We said we were gonna wait for it to get up there. And so I waited, but it's freaking like way extended up here, man. Stupid. Yeah, that would be one thing waiting for a pattern. Like the where's that thing I got? This pick that I got right here. Like could have waited for an actual pullback. That was not a real pullback. Yeah. Yeah, but Lumen just gapped right up into resistance and sold right off. Got this level here and this top right here. Yeah, it sure did. Lumen, ELFs. Hmm. ELF actually looks pretty cool. What's up, Garage Day Trader? Uh, Crashed out today, man. Questioning life, questioning the future. I don't have my P&L up anymore. There you go. Just couldn't hit the side of a barn today, man. And I'm just sitting here mulling over all the bad decisions, putting these things that I don't like on the daily, but I couldn't find anything else that I liked, so I just traded trash today, and didn't even trade it well. I think my best trade was SMR logistically, but yeah, it's a tough part of the process, man. Yeah, I don't like the daily on Elf at all, Q. Or Lumen. Okay, LO. Yeah, I didn't like that one either. Or CDE. Let me see. Yeah, all of these are right into resistance, man. Yeah, I did see Zim. Wow. Yeah, I was just looking at Zim. It's really rolling now. SMR. Let me check you out, George. Uh 1912. Yeah, that would have been a that would have been $1.50 stop though, George, if I did that. I mean, on that entry, that would be me expecting that thing to go, at least $3 from my entry. What, just now? Uh, you know what, Sync? That would, that's actually a really good idea. I've been ignoring my VWAP too, just because I still am trying to take. That's me trying to take stuff that shouldn't be taken. Like, I like VWAP and HVS because it's like two levels of support. Not just buying it because it made a higher low, but buying it because it made a higher low at a high volume support and at VWAP too. So it's like multiple levels, multiple reasons to feel good about taking the long there, and not just because it's making a higher. I mean, this one was above HVS, but it was just extended at this time. It already made a nice move up, so like this actually was a very nice pop after this kind of a move up. I could have at least taken break even. I actually added a tag in my journal this weekend called fast up, because when it goes up fast, you gotta take profit fast. And yeah, um, NNE. It's a nice uptrend going on the daily here. This candle's kind of nasty. Getting into this area here. This isn't bad though. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. Yeah, I might try to that would be a fun time to practice some kind of scalping on sync on those days when there's nothing, when nothing meets my criteria. It's just it's hard to not close the door. Like it's always like, well, this could get good today. This could make a move today. The possibilities. Dips and small caps. Yeah. I have been thinking about dips that, when you see something that has a really nice daily setup and like everything is pointing towards the uptrend, and then pre-drawing some levels in pre-market, and then it dips to a level. I've been strongly considering that. Having my stop under low of day, um, I like that idea on an uptrending stop. At least starting out. Ross, yeah, dude is a legendary gunslinger for sure. Yeah. Yeah, that thing made a crazy move up. Well, all right, y'all. I got to get out of here. We can continue the pity party in the Discord if y'all want. I got it on my phone. Links in the description. But yeah, I just got to make some changes, man. Some life changes, yo. But yeah, I got to get out of here, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me and my back. Thanks for stopping by, Garage Day Trader. I didn't realize I had a celebrity in here. Thanks for stopping by, man. Hey guys, hit that like button for me. I'll be back tomorrow. Try to be a little more disciplined, a little more picky, and a little more patient. Anyway, be safe out here, y'all. Peace.